Hello, everyone. This is Sobia. Welcome to GBC Tech Training Staff Spotlight Series. I'm here today with Surajit, who is one of our support consultants at GBC Tech, and he gives tutorial and technical support to students. So, hello, Surajit. How are you doing today?
Hi, Savi. Yeah, I'm good. Thank you.
First of all, what is your role with GBC Tech Training?
I'm working as a support consultant at a GBC Tech Training program, helping students with a range of tutorial and technical problems they encountered while they are taking that course, like downloading their programs, program materials, or to explain the difficult concepts they come across while they are taking that courses.
That sounds like an exciting role. Surajit, how long have you been working with GBC Tech?
Yeah, I have been working with the GBC Tech since 2019 after completion of my uh, electronics engineering technology diploma. So while I was doing my diploma, so I worked for the GBC 2 terms of my co-op terms with the GBC as a technical support. And after that, when I finished my technology diploma, I have been working as a full-time with the technical support with the GBC Tech Training program.
Okay. Sujit, what do your days normally look like?
GBC Tech Training technical and tutorial support starts from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. So my basic role is to provide technical and tutorial support for the students. So there are different ways students can contact us, whether through they can call us or they can email it to us. Okay, we have a dedicated support telephone line, and we have an email address, so people can send their technical issues or tutorial issues over the phone or the online. Usually students have problems with the downloading their program materials, the simulation softwares, or that or while they are taking the course, there are some tutorial issues. Okay, so we tried students to provide all this support over the phone, or if it takes, we send them email, and yeah, this way we can help students with that.
That's awesome. So, how does your job impact the operations at GBC Tech?
We work around from Monday to Friday, and we work as well on weekend and as well as the evening. Tutorial assistance is important while students are taking their courses. Let's say if the students wanted any tutorial support in math or making their own ladder logics programming, so we are here to support them. And as well, we have a dedicated telephone on line, so students can call us directly to the support and get help. And we have as well as we have a email also, students can email us. Okay, so beside this, we have also an online discussion board, so students can go there. If anyone needs help with the math or doing their own ladder logics programming, so we are here to help them. So student can reach us and other support member through different ways. So we have a dedicated telephone line. A student can call us, and we have also email. Also, student can email with us. Beside that, we have also an online discussion board, which is extremely helpful to the students for their learning experience.
What are the most usual questions you get asked?
Okay, students, the most usually asked questions by the students are, um, will the simulation softwares help them to build their own program in future? It might be what the prerequisition to do these online courses, or maybe what are the future prospects if they finish that courses, and where they can get jobs for that. Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
these are the most asked questions that students do.
Yeah. Okay. So, Sujit, do you have any advice for the students?
Yes, I always advise students when they are taking the preparations for any modules. So after every modules, there are some practice exams. These practice exams are similar like the final exams. So I always ask students to practice these practice exams several times, because the more they will take that exam, there are different questions they encounter. So that will basically help them to take their final exams easily.
Yeah, that's a great tip for all the prospects and students listening out there. Thank you, Surjit. It was a wonderful session, and I'm sure everyone enjoyed as much as I did. For more information, you can visit www.gbctechtraining.com or email us at info@gbctechtraining.com or call us on our toll free number 1-888-553 533. So thank you everyone for watching, and keep coming back for more series with our other team members. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social media channels to get updated information about GBC Tech Training programs. And thank you for watching and take care. Bye bye.
Thank you.